This is a video for Row, Row, Row Your Boat on page 51 of Lesson Book 1. Okay, this song is in C major, and so both hands are in C position with the right hand at middle C and the left hand beginning with a 3-note tonic chord. And of course, most people know this song, so you don't need a lot of help figuring it out. The one thing that you'll want to notice is that at measure 9, your left hand will cross over to play the high C. Merrily, then you're back to right hand. Okay? The other thing is that Row, Row, Row Your Boat is one of those songs that we often sing as a round. And so you can use this video to play this song as a round. The way it should work is that you let me play the first line, and then you prepare to start right when I get here. When I get to the second line, you begin at the beginning, and then I'll finish the song and you'll finish after me. So it would sound something like this. I play, and then you start while I'm playing the second line. Sorry, I can't play both parts at the same time. All right, good luck with Row, Row, Row Your Boat.